this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase wallet to another wallet. So from our Coinbase wallet app, we are going to click on the transfer icon at the middle bottom section. And in here, you can select the crypto or asset that you want to transfer. And let's go ahead and do that. And right now, as you can see, I have Ethereum in my account. So let's say that I want to transfer $1 of Ethereum. Then I'm going to click on send at the bottom right. And in here, we need to paste in a wallet address from our other wallet. So let's go ahead and open our other wallet app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show this with my Robinhood wallet, but of course you can use any other wallet. Just go ahead and select a section that's saying deposit cash or crypto, and then click on something that's saying receive. And of course, select the crypto that you want to transfer. So from this app, I'm going to click on receive from the home screen. And here I'm going to select the crypto that I want to receive, and that is Ethereum. And as you can see, I have my wallet address in here, and I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. And also always make sure that your network is the same on your Coinbase wallet and the wallet that you're transferring to. So that is really important, because if you do not match those networks, then your crypto might get lost. So let's go back to our Coinbase wallet right now. And let's paste in the wallet address in our Coinbase wallet app. And right now, click on your wallet address in here. Verify your full address by clicking on yes, looks good. And in this section, you're going to confirm the transfer if everything is right. So you see the network fee and the total cost, and you can see again the wallet that's been used. And you can also see the network. And as I already said, please match the networks of the transferring wallets, because if they do not match, your crypto might get lost. So for this transfer, it is no problem because it is on Ethereum. So I can go ahead and click on confirm. And as you can see, our Ethereum is successfully sent. So let's go back to our other wallet to see if the transfer is submitted. So as you can see, our balance has increased. So now I know that my transfer is complete. And in the activity status at the top, I also see that my Ethereum is received. So you can go ahead and click on this transaction for more details, or you can just start and trading with your new balance. So anyway, that is how you transfer crypto from Coinbase wallet to another wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.